Capacity Building for Design and Entrepreneurship ki matangda National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur amasung KANCHEEPURAM da LEIBA Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing Iiitdm ga Yanna Cherol ama Khutyek Pinnakhre Langol da LEIBA NIT Manipur gi seminar hall da pangthokhiba nomagi oiba interaction amasung orientation program gi saruk ama oina Yanna Cherol adu Khutyek Pinnakhibani Thauram aduda Institute asigi registrar Khumuk Chamtombaga loinana faculty member kayasu saruk yakhi Thauram aduga mari leinana NIT Manipur gi Director Professor DVLN Somaya Juluna hai ngasi launch tawriba Capacity Building for Design and Entrepreneurship program asina Institute asigi mahiroi amade faculty singda chauna kanaba piba ngamlagani Iiitdm KANCHEEPURAM na Nodal Center oigadaba program asi Ministry of Education na hakthengnana yengshingani masiga mari leinana NIT Manipur na MMTC Iiitdm KANCHEEPURAM ga Yanna Cherol ama Khutyek Pinnakhre program asina tongan ba activity kaya paikhatpada achouba mateng amasu oiragani masida natana sakhanglaba mentor sing asiga Khangatlaba faculty amade mahiroi shinga entrepreneurship ke anoba wakhalon kaya pibada achouba mateng ama oigani masina rural startup sing semgatpada achouba mateng amasu oiragani mahakna makhatana hai mahak nakpigani kumjali sing ani kun marigi junda NIT Manipur da director oina thabak tawba hauki matam adudagi ngasi phawbada NIT asida ahongba kaya laknaba thabak kaya paikhalakhi institute asigi oina tangkak ani thokna faculty recruitment process mai pakna chathaki recruitment aduda pamdaba thodok amata thokide recruitment gi process khudingma mapaldagi lakpa official kayana yamna cheksinna pangthokhi che yengba phawba OMR sitta computer na yengki nakal amaromda infrastructure gi lamdasu semgatpa yaba kaya semgatli makhata nasu semgatnaba Ministry of Education gi final clearance lakpa ngairi institute asida engineering gi mahiroi shingi oina dual degree program sing hounaba honari IIT Guwahati ga pullaga hangadaba program asina engineering gi mahiroi shingda achouba kanaba ama soidana piba ngamgani masida natana IIM Visakhapatnam dagi online da diploma in management amasung MBA degree course tambagi khudong chabasu phanglagani matam sangna non teaching staff singi recruitment tawdana leiramba adu loishinba ngamkhre chawrakna non teaching staff kunni rom merit ki matung inna induction tawkhre aduga atopa non teaching staff kun marigi process ta leibaga loinana chahi asigi june loirakpada loiraba yana leire mahiroi shingi oina nongju matamda khudong chadaba kaya mayoknariba asigi yengduna Manipur gi governor da ahenba building sing pibinaba haijakiba lekhre hainasu mahangna makhata na phungdokhe.
This is one of the wonderful program coined by Ministry of Education, and this helps definitely lot of change in the curriculum as part of National Education Policy. In fact, this was initiated under NEP 2020. So NIT Manipur curriculum is also, we are changing in a more drastic manner by providing open elective courses, one credit courses on entrepreneurship and design thinking, and also more practical hands-on and field visits for the students to perform more innovations. Whatever the ideas are there among the student minds, those ideas can be converted into a reality, and then we can take it to market. That is the objective of this program. As far as non-teaching recruitment is concerned, we completed successfully long-pending non-teaching recruitment. When I joined here, our board and the ministry has directed me to complete the recruitment and fill the regular posts. So accordingly, I constituted several committees, external committees, and non-teaching recruitment was conducted after a gap of 6 to 8 years. There was no recruitment since last 8 years. Whatever the advertisement was given in 2023, by taking that advertisement into consideration, we filled 22 regular non-teaching posts purely based on merit. And another 24 non-teaching staff recruitment is in process and will complete by June 2025, by the end of June 2025. I would like to highlight here some of the key points. All papers were set by external paper setters, and evaluation is done through OMR machine, and descriptive paper evaluation is done by external committee, and there is no role of internal staff as far as this recruitment is concerned. Only the role internal staff played is only to do the invigilation.